It is April 2015, and I'm in Hinsdale making videos of METRA trons. And trons are fucking cool. It's exciting to make videos of trons. It's fucking cool how the Tron stops in the middle of the street. The Tron is pulling out of the station. He said pull out. He said pull out. Oh, I miss the Chicago area. The people in the Chicago area are such lucky fucking bastards. They have so many trons to ride. So many trons. I wonder if there's any other and there's another Tron on the way. The trons on the Burlington Northern Line, the trons just keep on coming. He said coming. He said coming. Yeah. Well, I wonder if I can get 2 trons in the same video. Or maybe that tron won't stop. It seems like it's close enough. Is the Tron gonna stop? I think the Tron is gonna stop. As I crossed the railroad tracks, and the fucking battery, I was charging the fucking battery in this fucking camera, and the fucking thing stays on, but yet the camera don't work. I was barely able to get that reset thing going with a staple, and it fucks up every fucking time now. Oh God! As long as I keep resetting it, is okay. I hope. I haven't copied it to the computer yet. Trons are fucking cool, and I'm gonna get 2 trons in the same video. There's so many trons here to choose from. This is exciting. It's exciting to make videos of trons during rush hour because there's so many trons. There's so many trons. I wish I was riding that Tron. And the Tron stops in the middle of the street. That is fucking cool. The people who live in the Chicago area are such lucky fucking bastards. They have so many trons to ride. trons, and I'm so glad I have Asperger's syndrome because I make the most interesting tron videos in the world. But I also have meltdowns when shit happens, like the battery. I'm worried about the battery in this fucking camera. It acts up when I charge it now. I fucking hate it when shit happens. I want to just enjoy making tron videos. I don't want shit to happen. I don't want things to go wrong. Well, is there gonna be another tron come? He said coming. Another tron? There's lots of trons today. I just wish I still lived. I miss the Chicago area. Oh, the people are such lucky fucking bastards and got so many trons to ride. But it looks like there's a little bit of a break because I don't see any trons. This is like the third part already of a tron video for the day.